family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you Dollar General haul 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General and I didn't see that much clearance, that the store that I went to, because I didn't go out Friday, so they probably declared everything out Friday, which is fine with me because I had to work. Okay, so if you don't get there early to get these clearance items, when the store opens, honey, by the time you get off from work, majority of the time they are gone. You might luck up on one or two, but honey, they gonna disappear, okay? So what I did was I just went ahead and did my regular 5 off of 25, didn't incorporate no clearance items, okay? So let's go ahead and get to the video. All right, so the first thing I got was the Visine. The Visine is $2.95. There is $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? The next thing, I needed some more detergent in my stockpile, so I got this Arm & Hammer OxyClean, which is some good detergent. All right, this is $3.75, and there is $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. You could have got this or the packs, but I just needed some more liquid, okay? The next thing is I got some more of the triple antibiotic ointment. The triple antibiotic ointment, let me see, that is $2.60. There is $1 off digital coupon that did attach. The next thing is the Dow. These are right here is the small Dow, but the sale is if you buy 2, you get an extra $2 off savings. Okay, there was no it's a digital coupon, but if you buy 2, you get $2 off. Okay, so these right here, it's lavender and jasmine, and then also I think it was another one that is a small one. These are $3 and I think they 25 cents. Yes, $3.25 a piece. So I bought 2. The digital coupon of $2 came off. It's the Colgate Cavity Protection. It is $1, and it has to be the cavity protection for the kids. It's $1, and $1 digital did come off, okay? Making it free. The next thing is the Skin Tint. I could have just put this back. I had put it back at first, but then I was like, no, I think I might need it. I don't know what I was thinking about, but I went ahead and left it in my transaction, which is fine. It is $6.50. There is a $4 and $4 digital coupon that is attaching, okay? The next thing is the Big Palmolive detergent. It is $4.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, and this is the 46 ounce, okay? Then the last thing, y'all, I always try to incorporate my 5 off of 25 with my dog food, because there is $4 off manufacturer coupons that I printed off of coupons.com. So I always try to incorporate my dog food within my 5 off of 25 if I need to get it. And I did need to get it because I was supposed to have got it during the week, but I didn't. So I just went ahead and got this. My dog loves this because she eats it. She does not waste this dog food. So this dog food is $7.50. There is a $4 off. It's a manufacturer coupon, okay, that did attach. It is also a digital, but I just went ahead and used my my paper, because sometimes I scanned this digital for my arms and it don't come off. So I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and just use my paper, okay? But on that paper, y'all, they have to scan it probably with the gun, because it wouldn't scan like going across the little scanner, so she had to use the gun to actually scan it, but it did scan. Okay, so after all my digitals came off, when I put my number in, and then my paper coupon, it did scan, it did attach. My subtotal was $11.80. Yes, $11.80, y'all. I know that's a little high for a 5 off of 25, but if I didn't get the razors, I would have been fine. Or if I didn't need the dog food, I would have been fine. But anyway, it goes. Y'all, it is what it is. So, like I said, my subtotal was $11.80. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. Let me show you my receipt. There's the Arm & Hammer, Skintimate razors, Palmolive, Visine, Colgate, the Dow, the triple antibiotic, and then there is my subtotal. There is my total savings, $23.50. Y'all, we did not, and I did not, get a 5 off of 25 for next Saturday, okay, on my receipt. Y'all seen the end of the receipt, okay? So I did not get that. So hopefully, y'all, we get either Sunday or during the week, we get a 5 off of 25. Hopefully, digital. Because, like I said, my 5 off of 25 did come off too. But like I said, I did not get a paper 5 off of 25. So, cross your fingers and hope that we did. Okay, that we do. All right. So, this right here is my Dollar General haul. 5 off of 25 Saturday. Just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.